we're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Lexus Rx450h protected with a Halo Mini Immobiliser. So this one, the customer's also opted for the total kill, which includes vehicle tracking and also keypad disable and immobilisation, whether the vehicle's in service mode or you've given someone the code and they haven't brought the vehicle back. You can totally lock them out of the system and the vehicle's going nowhere. But how the normal Halo Mini works, if a thief got the key and went to steal the vehicle, as you see, it's just not going to start up. The ignition power's up, but it doesn't go to ready. As you see, we're unable to drive the vehicle. It will go into gear, hybrid system stopped. You're not going to be able to drive anywhere. Whether it's petrol, hybrid, doesn't make a difference. For the customer, what they can do is turn the ignition on, go for a code of their choosing. For now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a flash from the fog lights and we can start the vehicle. It goes to ready and we can drive away. As soon as we leave the vehicle, if someone was there, pulled you out, got home, went to steal the vehicle, this system activates instantly. So your vehicle's secure as soon as you get out. There's no time, no delay, it's active straight away. If you want to change the code on this, you can. First, to do that, you have to turn the ignition on and prove it's you. So we'll put the old code in, receive our flash. Now we'll put our foot to the floor and the accelerator 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Receive a double flash. Now it's in a code learn mode. So we'll pop our code in. 1, 2, 3, 4 we'll have for now. Turn the ignition off. We get one flash. That confirms the new code's entered and it's done successfully. So just to prove it, we'll double tap, pop our old code in. We get no flash. If we try and start, obviously the vehicle's not going to start because we haven't passed authorization. So turn it off, we'll start again, pop the new code in, up, down, left, right, receive our flash, we can start the vehicle. To put this system into service mode, which is basically turning the system off, to do that, you'll double tap to turn the ignition on with your foot off the brake, pop your code in, up, down, left, right, like we have for now. But on your last press, you're going to keep it held until we get 5 flashes from the dash on the fog lights, and then it's going to be in service mode and be a normal vehicle. But until then, we'll keep it held. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can now take our finger off the button, turn the vehicle off. As you see, it doesn't activate when we leave. So Lex is going to be none the wiser. You have an immobiliser fitted. If you just start the car, it goes to ready straight away and we can drive it off with no issues. They can move it around their workshop and so on. When you get it home, to turn the system back on is exactly the same process. So a double tap, pop the code in and hold the last button. But this time the only difference is we're going to get one flash as opposed to the 5 to confirm it's come back out of service mode and your vehicle's going to need your code again before you drive it. So we'll keep the button held. We've got our one flash, we'll let go. You'll know it's come out of service mode because when you open the door, you get your double flash activation and the car's not going to start without you putting that pin code in. As we said, this system also has the total kill, so you can disable that keypad entry if you've given someone the code and you shouldn't have. Or it's in service mode, it gets stolen from a garage and driven off. You can obviously locate it in the app, lock the vehicle down so it's not going anywhere. When you get to it, unlock it, it will accept your code, you can drive away. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.